I don't know where to start anymore. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been 7 years. No, a lot has changed since we last spoke. What is up, long time no see? I can't start like that. What is up? My name is Mackenzie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're due for a new video. I wasn't really sure how this video is going to work out. I don't know how successful this is going to be. I thought, let's just make this super casual. I'm gonna talk to you. We're hanging out. I'm sure you can guess by the title of this video. I'm gonna be trying out some polygel nails. I have no idea what I'm doing. I probably would have been smarter to read all the instructions before starting this video, but... So the particular nail kit that I purchased is the Morrovan Professional Nail Art. I'm gonna be completely transparent. I did absolutely no research. I read no reviews. I kind of just went on Amazon at 11 p.m. and was like, you know what? I'm ready to have this polygel nail journey. And balls to the wall, I ordered it. It showed up 2 days later, and here we are. I will put the link for the exact kit that I purchased down below so you can take a look or purchase it yourself should you decide to do so. So, these are the packages that came in the box. It also came with a UV light thing. Oh my god, what did I push? It works. That's maybe something I should have tried before starting this video. The more you know. I must say, I think I paid just less than $60 for this kit, and it came with a ton of stuff. Because I didn't plan this very well, I'm just gonna have to dump this all over. Great. And the first package that I just dumped out, it comes with this poly nail gel slip solution. That's what it looks like. Cool. That's obviously their logo or their brand or what have you. It also comes with a base coat and a top coat, which look like this. There we go. Of course, it comes with the actual nail mold. So this is what I will be putting the polygel into and then pressing it onto my fingernail. And all of these tubes are actually the polygel colors themselves. This is what they look like. Of course, this one is milk, white, and brown. Let's grab the ombre, guys. Ombre, pink, beige, purple, white, pure, and nude and pink. And the other package is all the fun stuff. This one is kind of like the tools and accessories. Gives you a little container, which is awesome. That means I don't have to find one myself or use my own bowl. This package also came with toe spreaders, which is cool, or toe separators, whatever you want to call them, which is cool, but I can't imagine putting polygel on my toenails. Whatever tickles your pickle. This also came with 2 nail files. I have no idea what this is for yet. UV discharge designed with nail. Also, why does anyone use the word discharge to describe anything? That's disgusting. So they're kind of like wet wipes. And I have some tweezers. It also came with nail clippers, which was a huge bonus. This guy, which looks like a pen, but it's actually the paintbrush on one side and the actual molding tool itself on the other side. This is awesome that it's double-ended and I don't have 2 separate utensils because I have a tendency to lose stuff. All right. Some fun little glitters, diamonds. These ones are clear, obviously. And then these ones, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see. That's fine. These ones are multicolored jewels. I also got a cuticle pusher, trimmer. These little like gauze pad things, thank you. A brush, some different types of decorative tape almost. Also got, last but not least, 2 packages of nail stickers that appear to be little flowers. Okie dokie. I'm going to start by filing my nails so that they're all the same length. I'm going to do that. We'll move on to the next step in 1 second. If only I could actually file my nails that quickly. Now that my fingernails are all filed, I'll show you. I literally keep them super duper short when I put fake nails on, and usually I just file them straight across. So now I opened this guy up and I'm going to be finding some tips that fit my fingies. Basically what you want to do is, of course, take out a tip, try and get it to fit on a fingernail as close as you can. I'm gonna sit here and find all the tips that fit, and then I guess we'll start polygelling. I'm kind of nervous. I don't really know the best way to go about filming this because I didn't really think this far in advance. Okay, filming this way is gonna be a little bit more difficult because everything is kind of backwards for me, but we'll get there. We're going to start with the base coat. I really hope I'm not holding this upside down for you guys. It won't focus. It looks like a base coat nail polish. I'm going to first step paint all my fingernails, and then it says to cure them 30 to 60 seconds. Let's do that. We'll go from there. All right. Let's do 60 seconds. Now we wait. Da-da-da-da-da. God, I hope this works. I guess I'm gonna do one hand at a time because I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I will start with my thumbnail. So it says to take some of the polygel. This, I guess, will be the hard part. It'll be how much we use. I don't have any idea how much is a lot or a little or not a clue. This is going worse than I thought, so that's super cool. Oh my god, I think I need more. Add more polygel. More. Don't know what I'm doing. Help. I don't know why I decided to film this. Okay, let's stick her right there. Oh my god. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't confused. The instructions make it look so easy. I feel like I'm not getting any closer to a solution here. I'm gonna end this video here and see if I can figure this out. Did I just watch a tutorial during my tutorial? The answer is yes. I'm gonna try starting on my pinky this time. I feel like I need more product, and that's part of my issue. Cure for 30 to 60 seconds. I'm not sure this is gonna stay. I also have no idea if I just did all of that off camera. Awesome. The issue I was having before is I would press this onto my nail and it would immediately become unstuck. So we're going to try holding this in place for another second here. I'm nervous at the moment that I let go. It's just gonna pop right off my nail. Okay, well, it stayed on. That's a good sign. I'd be lying though if I said I wasn't nervous still. Okay, I guess let's work backwards. Let's try my ring finger. Oh god. Let's try this again. I apologize for this is probably the worst filmed video I've ever made in my entire life. Let's try and do this actually on camera here because I feel like I said the last time I didn't. Let's push you around in the mold. Honestly, hopefully my pinky nail is the worst nail that comes out of all of this. Maybe the rest of my fingernails will be better. Maybe that's me trying to be optimistic. All right, okay. Nail number 2. She's on there. Let's try and cure it again. Oh, good lord. Hopefully these are getting better and not worse. I hope nobody is watching this as a tutorial because this is far from me showing you how to do this and more so me struggling to do this. Oh god. This, I think, is supposed to be, keyword supposed to, be easier than acrylics. This one is the one that I started with. If you've been following this video the entire time, you'll see me mess up this one first. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm gonna edit that out. No, I should keep my trials and tribulations in this video to make it seem real. What a journey this has been, huh? From me being eager to open this, to me being eager to be done this, full circle. I feel like I'm sort of getting better at figuring out how much polygel I actually need for each nail. Okay, so thumbs are definitely difficult. Okay, well, let's start with my pinky nail, I guess. Oh my god! My camera's about to die. Perfect. What happens if they won't come off? Okay, there we go. I'm going to charge my camera and file these and I will check back. I said I was going to file my polygel nails and continue this video and go from there. But unfortunately, while filing my polygel nails, I actually broke 2 of the tips off of them. So I broke the rest of them off and took them off. This hand is naked all over again. I learned that the polygel is not super duper durable, not super strong. So that's definitely something I'll have to keep in mind for next time. Also, it feels like when I broke off the tips, some of the polygel was still wet kind of underneath. So I think that's a combination of me using too much product and not waiting long enough for it to dry entirely before I started filing them. So that's definitely something that I'm going to have to be cognizant of the next time when I make this video. I still think I'm going to upload this as a unsuccessful attempt, but I really want my true first experience to have been captured on camera. I really want people to kind of see the struggle that goes into trying a new product or trying something that you've never tried before, period. I think I am going to upload this. I don't really care how poopy the video is. The quality should be good. I have a great camera, but this was kind of like a welcome back to YouTube / trial run of polygel nails, which went moderately successful. I did it. I'm not totally defeated. I will definitely be doing this again. Expect a part 2 to this once I kind of have a better idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe at the end of the next video, I'll have 2 beautiful manicured polygel nailed hands. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.